Let's talk about having a funnel, which is a website where people put their email in and they go through a sales process for them to get inside, right? If you have an offer that completely sucks, that bombs, does not convert, okay? You could do all the greatest marketing in the world. You could pay for the best traffic in the world. It does not matter. Your emails can be the best in the world, but if your offer is terrible, okay, you will not make money because the offer has to be good.
Hey,
That's and I'm telling you right
that's
now,
the cold hard truth.
we've learned that from experience. Okay. Now the other thing is people feel like they have to be everywhere. Okay. Like I know we see some marketers out there. They're on like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Tumblr, Clapper. We're talking about everywhere, right?
Yeah.
Here's what we did. We focused on one thing, and that one thing was Facebook, right? And then once we mastered Facebook, we started focusing on YouTube. And then we're focusing on Facebook and YouTube, right? Then we started adding other things into the mix. But the most important thing I want you guys to get what I'm saying right now is all you really need is one traffic source to start. Just one.
Yes.
Make it easy on yourself.
Yes.
Yeah, it's still going to be uncomfortable if you don't understand it and unfamiliar. But if it's just one thing, you can get comfortable a lot quicker. Because if you have multiple things, you'll stay more uncomfortable longer. And when that happens, you start to feel overwhelmed. And we're not in this game to feel overwhelmed. We're in this game to be very focused in 2025 and say, you know what? I'm going to listen to Ace and Rich. I'm going to focus on that one traffic source that's going to help me achieve the results that I'm looking for. Because if I keep skating around here and skating around here and skating around here, I'm never going to master that one traffic source. So I'm never going to get the results that I want. So even if you have a great offer and you don't have, the traffic, right? What's going to happen? No eyeballs, nothing. So focus on the one traffic source, and the one that you choose, master it. And I guarantee you'll start seeing results. Okay? Now, here's the thing that is so important. All right? I mean, all of this is important, but I just feel like this one is something that you need to really get inside yourself to really get what I'm saying here. The system is really crucial because everything runs on systems.
Yes.
Everything.
That's true.
Even in life, everything is run on systems. When I used to work at Best Buy, I remember the first 4 years I worked there, I was just a guy just having a job, right? And, playing with the band on the weekends and stuff. And what did I know about business and systems? Nothing. All I knew was to be an employee. However, when I started becoming, getting into the entrepreneur game and I had to learn to create my own systems, that's when things started changing, right? I remember I lost my first business. I had to go back to Best Buy a second time. And guess what happened? I broke records at Best Buy because I started understanding the systems around that company, right? Because something changed in me. And when you start to understand that the world is run around systems, the great thing about the internet is you can create your own systems. Not only that, but Ace has been creating amazing systems with AI. Talk about that a little bit.
So what's really great is, when you have AI, you can do incredible systems. You can literally create multiple channels on different things, different processes in the matter of seconds. But it's not just one prompt to actually do all these things. You have to learn prompt engineering.